The next thing you want to think about then is how do you actually share the notebooks themselves? As a teacher, you might want to create a notebook for a course and keep all the readings and materials in it and be able to publish it in such a way that students have access to the notebook to see the readings and the notes. Another thing that you might want to do is have the students create their own notebooks and have a digital portfolio, if you will, or a way to manage the various types of documents they're working on and share it with you. And so in the screencast, what I'll just give you is a basic idea of how that could work and what it could look like. So what I'm going to do here is I've logged in. I'm in my notebooks right now. See, these are the various notebooks that I have. And what I could do is click this little share button. And what will happen is I'll get a screen and there'll be a public link URL. What I can do then is just go ahead and copy that link and I could paste it into a website or whatever else with the understanding that anything that goes in that notebook, people could click on that link and see what's there. If I'm a teacher, maybe what I would do is I would have a notebook that's public and then maybe I would pull notes out of it when we're not ready for it, add them in when the time arises. Another thing that I can do is I can share it directly with a person. So in the case of my son with his work that I have him work on at home, I shared it with his teacher. So that way his teacher can then just sync up the notebook on her device and she can see the work that he's done for the month to take care of his responsibilities. Another thing that you'll see here is down below what people can do to it. Now I do have a premium account, which means that people could actually edit and collaborate on these notes that I have. If you have the free account, my understanding is that you can only view other people's notes, which is fine. What I tend to do in the classroom is use a different account altogether, which is not a premium. I'll share things within the notes. And if I want students to keep the stuff, they can sync it and they can just copy the note or duplicate it rather, and then keep it in their notebook. And that works pretty good too. So this is where you would go to find this link. What I'm going to do is copy what's here, and then I'm going to be pasting it into a document for people to be able to access at a workshop. And that is how you can go ahead and share a notebook. If you'd like to try to get everything archived together for students, it may not be a bad idea to create a Google form, have them put in their name, and then go ahead and put in the link to their notebook. And it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to have like some sort of a naming convention where maybe it's a class period and last name or initials or whatever works for you. That way you can keep everything straight too, especially if you'll have notebooks coming in. Thanks for watching.